Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create email campaigns with Shopify AI so you can streamline your content creation, generate professional, studio quality copy in seconds, and utilize the latest 2026 technical tools to scale your software tutorial outreach. Let's get into it. First, launch Sidekick and state your intent. The first step is initiating a dialogue with your AI copilot. In 2026, Sidekick is the mechanical necessity for merchants who want to skip the amateur-quality manual clicking and get straight to the studio results. Open your Shopify admin on your PC and click the Sidekick icon, the sparkling starburst, in the top right or bottom corner. Type a command like, "I want to create an email campaign for my new 2026 software tutorial series." Sidekick doesn't just open a menu, it begins a professional consultation. It will analyze your store's 2026 bookkeeping data and recent market analysis to provide tailored recommendations. Next, refine the AI recommendations. Once you've stated your goal, Sidekick will provide a series of studio guides and strategy recommendations to ensure your technical guide reaches the right people. Sidekick will ask questions like, who is the target audience, or what is the main goal? Answer, for example, target my VIP customers who bought technical guides last month. This is the structural phase. Sidekick uses these answers to technically build your customer segment and suggest a high-end subject line. It acts as your professional editor, ensuring your 2026 outreach is as effective as possible. Next, follow the Sidekick link to the email app. After you've refined the strategy, Sidekick will provide the technical bridge to the workspace. Keep answering Sidekick's prompts until it generates a specific actionable link in the chat window. Click the link that says something like Open Shopify Messaging or Start Campaign. This link is the studio shortcut that takes you directly into the 2026 Shopify Messaging, formerly Shopify Email app, with your AI-generated segments and notes already loaded. Look at the top right corner of the Shopify Messaging screen. Click the button labeled Create Campaign. Scroll through and choose a template that matches your 2026 brand. Since Sidekick was involved, it may even highlight a recommended template based on your previous conversation. Choosing a template finalizes the technical structure of your email. From here, you can candidly add your tutorial links and hit send to reach your professional audience. And that's pretty much it. To use Sidekick AI for campaigns in 2026, open Sidekick and describe your goal candidly. Follow the AI's strategy recommendations until it provides a direct link to Shopify Messaging. Once there, click Create Campaign in the top right and choose your template to begin designing your professional studio email. This technical workflow ensures your software tutorials are backed by high-end AI intelligence from start to finish. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.